So now let's see how we can go ahead and change our perspective of objects inside of Corel Draw. So for that, I'm going to go around and bring in, let's say for example, an object like this star right here. Let me just go ahead and color this out as well. So let's say what I want to do is I want to go ahead and change the object's perspective. In that case, you need to go around onto the object menu right here, just like this. And then what you need to do is you need to go around onto perspective option. So I'm just going to go around over here onto perspective, and here you can see that add perspective is an option. So once you go ahead and do that, you can simply click and drag these points out right here, just like this, to change around the perspective of the object as you want right here. So this is what you have, and you can also drag in this particular point right here to change around how the perspective actually looks like. On the top, from the side right here, click and drag it out to change around. You can go around and push this and pull this out apart as well, and that is what you have, as you can see. And this is how you can go ahead and then change around the perspective, as you can see right here, just like this. So you can go back onto your regular selection tool, and then this is what you have, as you can see. And that is how you can go ahead and change out perspectives of objects inside of Corel Draw. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.